Here I'm going to be showing you how to draw a spiral using this AutoCAD software. And the question that I'm going to use here says that line AB is 100 millimeters. Bisect AB using AB and its bisector as the axis. Draw a spiral that spans the length of AB. That is the question that we are going to use to draw the spiral. So the length of line AB given to us is 100 millimeters. So I'm going to start like this. So we click on line. Then I'm going to, so we need to activate the auto mode so that we can have a perfect vertical line. So I'm going to draw a vertical line. Okay, so I'm going to draw a vertical line of length 100. So this line will also be the bisector of line AB. So this is 100. Okay, so enter. All right, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to locate the midpoint of this line. So and I will draw a line which is 50 millimeters, or sorry, 50. So this is the midpoint of the line. So I will draw a line 50, so to the right side. So 50 to the right side. Okay, so this is 50. All right, so and the next that I'm going to do is that I'm going to divide this line into a number of equal parts, but I'm going to divide into 8 equal parts. That's what I'm going to do. I mean this horizontal line. Okay, so I'm going to divide into 8 equal parts. So and then so what we are to do here is to come to draw. Then I will select this particular tool that is called divide. So I'm being asked to select the object to divide. So I will select this. Then I'm going to type 8. So as the number of division that we want to put this line into. So this is 8. Then so enter. All right, so the line has been divided into 8 equal parts as we see it here. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to extend this line to the left side, and the length will also be 50. So that will make it 100, which is for line AB that we are given. Okay, so that will make it a total of 100. Okay, so that's it. All right, so we have that now. So I'm going to deselect this. So now, so I can label these two ends of this line. So I'm going to be copying this. So I'm going to copy it. So copy selection. So I will deactivate this. Then I'm going to move this here. Okay, so and I will also put it at this end. So here and here. Okay, so all right, so I'm going to change this. So I'm going to have this now. So this is B already. So I need to so I will edit this, and this will be, so this is A. Then this is point C, and then so this point here, so this is point D here. All right, so we have that on the lines. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that, so I've divided this line into 8 equal parts. So I'm going to draw circles, and I'm going to make use of each of the points that we have on this line. From this point of intersection of 2 lines to this side, we divided this line into 8 equal parts from this point to this end B here. So I'm going to click on select circle. So then, this is the center. So if I extend it, so this is the first point. So we have this point. So then I will repeat it. So this is the second point. So I will repeat the circle again. So that's 2. So this is 3. So repeat it again. This is 4. There is 5. There is 6. Seven. The last one. This is 8. All right, so we have those 8 points and with 8 circles. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to divide these circles into 8 equal parts. So how do we do that? So we come to draw, and then so we click on divide. So I will select just this one. So select this one, and I'm going to enter the number of division, so which is 8. Then enter. All right, so it has been added to 8 equal parts. So what I need to do now is to use a line or lines. So this is point, so goes with this point here. So escape or right click and select enter. So I repeat the line. So we have what we have, this point here, and it goes with this point here. So that's it. So the circles are divided into 8 equal parts, as you can see here. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to number each of the points. So I'm going to select this. So copy selection. Then I'm going to move. So we have a point here. So we have a point here. So here we have a point here. And here we have a point. All right, so we have all this. So I'm going to change the letters to number. So I'm going to change the letters to number. So, and I'm doing it this way. Okay, so so this is going to be 0. So this is going to be 0. So I will edit it and I will call it 0. So this is 0. So then, so this is 1. So there is 2. So there is 3. So there is 4. There is 5. So this is 6. The last one is 7. So, all right, so we have this. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do now is to draw the curve. So that's what we want to do. So, so to draw the curve, so we come to draw and we select spline fit. So that's it. So, all right, so starting from the center here, so I will so click on, so this is line 1, so it goes with this point 1. Okay, all right, so then it goes with point 2, so on the second circle, then point 3 on the third circle, so then point 4 on the fourth circle, then point 5 on the fifth circle. So where the fifth circle intersects line 5. So then, so where the sixth circle intersect line 6, then so it goes to 7 where the circle 7 intersect line 7. Okay, so then we have what we have the last one, which is the 8th one. So that's it. So that's the curve. So I think I need to redraw the curve. So let me take it again. So we come to draw and we select spline fit. So from the center here to where the circle 1 intersects line 1, then circle 2 intersect line 2 here, circle 3 intersect line 3 here, and circle 4 intersect line 4 here, and circle 5 intersect line 5 here, and circle 6 intersect line 6 here, circle 7 intersect line 7 here, and circle 8 intersect line 8 here. To be able to see the curve very well, so I'm going to select the curve, then I will come to select this, then I'm going to change the color. All right, so we have what we have this now. Okay, so this is the spiral as we see it here. It's as simple as I've done it here. So all you need to do is to practice, and when you practice, you become a master at this. Thank you, and keep on practicing. God bless you.